Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Those who are new, kindly subscribe. And this video, I'm going to discuss about that weekly DOJI because I have a lot of comments and doubts. So I'm going to explain you how we can use that particular weekly DOJI. So a lot of people are asking about how I can do, so where I put a stop loss and where I can take a target. So that kind of questions, having a lot of people are asking about the same questions. So first of all, you have to know this is not for an intraday trade. Okay, this is what a positional trade. So we are planning the positional for a next 1 week. So here on monthly doji we are following the trend by a 1 month basis. Here on the weekly basis we are using 1 week trend, right? So there is a reversal either in a higher level or in the lower level. So that I'm going to plan that scanner. So yesterday that Cipla creating that kind of doji candle by the second day of the week, right? And also that high for the day is the second day should be the weekly high. So here we are going to focus for a mainly selling opportunity, right? So this is because this forms at the highest level, even the first preference to make the sell opportunity. So what is the levels? So this is what a equity chart. Okay, so when I'm going to plan a trade in a equity, so 903 is my lowest level, 903.25, and 917 is my stop loss. Let's say show you 903. I'll see that. I'll mark that level in the chart. Price range. Okay, so this is the level where we got a Cipla forms a doji candle on second day. So we use mostly the first day doji, that is the Monday doji should work very well on the till the weekend, right? So here there is a doji which forms on the second day, even it is a powerful, but how we can do the trade? So the high for the day is 917.3 and the low for the day is 903.75. so this is happening at weekly high. This is what a weekly high, right? And this is what a weekly low. So this doji which is present at highest level of the week, right? So here we are focusing for a first preference is a selling opportunity. So when the market is broken below 903.25, we are going to make a sell entry, right? So that is what the first condition, because it is forms at the highest level. If any candle which forms at the lowest level, we are first preference to take a buy, right? And then when I take an entry in a 903.25, I should keep my stop loss 917.3. that is my stop loss. I don't put any stop loss meanwhile. So a lot of people saying I took the position, it triggers my stop loss until if it is not broken that highest level, it is still the position is open, because we are not using for a intraday purpose, it is a positional purpose. And how we do the trade based on options, how we can do with the options in this basis of, so whenever it breaks below the low, if you are a ATM option buyer, so the entry point it triggers at 903, so you may take 900 and put option because it is a sell entry, right? When the price is reaches at 917 or your stop loss got triggered at this point, so you should exit your put option. So those who are a safe player, when the market breaks below the low, so you should take this high as our strike price. That is what in the money, 917 is the high, so you can keep 920 put option. So you can trade with either ATM options or in OTM options. So that is depend on you, right? So I'm not suggesting you to take ATM options or OTM options. It is depend on your risk ability and investment. Okay, if you are focusing for a ATM options, the premium may be very less, and also the profit also you can get based on the movement. If you are focusing a 920 put option, that is the in the money options, it is already present at almost 20 rupees in the money. So if you are taking that, the premium is high, but the time value is very less. But if you are focusing ATM options, the time value is very high. So that is the difference between if you are focusing for either in the money put options or at the money put options. You can do any of this, right? based on your risk ability as well as your trade plan. So apart from this, if I am focusing this risk is suitable for me, then only I should take a trade. So here, if I am going to take a trade, there is a 15 rupees risk. You should calculate with the lot size. If you are ready to take a 15 rupees, I think the Cipla, let's say share with that. Cipla lot size is somewhere around 650. Okay, if you are taking the risk of 615, 650 is the lot size, 15 rupees, almost 9,750. If you are taking a future, that is what your maximum risk when if it triggers your stop loss. And either if you are taking a put option based on this, maybe the premium is our maximum risk. Whatever the premium you are buying, it may be a ATM option or it may be a OTM option. That is what your maximum risk for this trade. That is the main concept which I created the DOJI on weekly. But if you are focusing the first day of the DOJI, that is a starting of the DOJI, that Monday, so that will work even better. So weekly one trade like that you can follow with that. So if you are following daily basis, you can get a daily trade, but that is valid for a next 1 week or the current week, right? So Monday candle we always focus. And if you see today how many stocks which forms, so if we find out Mindtree and HDFC life insurance, these two stocks which forms a DOJI. Let's find out Mindtree. Perfect. So where Mindtree forms the highest level, this is what a weekly high. Yesterday high is around 4,910 and today high is 4,916. This is what the new high for this week. So this is forming at the highest level. If you are going to take the position, so the risk is very big. So 4,916 and 4,592. So whether it is, so here we are focusing for a selling opportunity. Why? Because of it is forms at a highest level of the day or highest level of the week. So here is my sell entry. Here is my stop loss. First I am focusing sell and keep the stop loss. Whenever if the trade triggers my stop loss, I can try to take a re-entry. Okay, so that is what my main concept. So the second stock which forms HDFC life insurance, HDFC life insurance, no asset life insurance. Yeah, this is also forms a DOJI. That is also nearby the highest level only. This is also forms at highest level. So here the risk is almost 14 rupees. So if you are focusing for a trade in HDFC life, the lot size is around 1100. So if you are taking a trade in HDFC, you are ready to lose somewhere around 709 minus 695. It is around 14 rupees is 1100. So you got a 15,400 should be the risk for the trade. So if even if it is breaks high or low, so here we are focusing for a sale opportunity because this is forms at a day's high. That is what weekly high. This week started by 19. This is the second day, which is the highest day high is compared to previous day. So this was forming at highest level. So the entry exit which is predefined here. So where the market is going below 695, I am going to short it with a stop loss of 700. If you are not ready to take that much of risk, if I am going to take only 1500 risk, so I am going to take just 100 shares. So you can decide your risk and reward what you are going to take. So that depend on you only. So but Monday if you any stock which forms a DOJI, for that stock we can focus for a next week. So that happened in Concor and Metropolis. That is yesterday, right? So if you see that stock, sorry, this is Wednesday, no? So this is second day, this is weekly high. I was made a mistake. So this is what the first day, 18, 19, 20. So now it is the middle of the week, right? So but it is a high of this week, correct? And Metropolis, let's say Metropolis. So this is happening by first of this week. Let's see, that is what the power. So entry got triggered by 2722. That is the entry level. So now you understand what I'm discussing here in that trade. So this is what happening in the first day. If any stock which present on Monday by DOJI, we will focus. If breaks high, we are going to buy. Low, if it is breaks the low, we are going to sell. So in this scenario, it triggers the buy entry from 2722, now it is 2907. Let's say almost near about 200 point. So the high it made more than 2950, so more than 200 point it given a profit. And the stop loss for the trade is 100 point, right? So that you should remember. 90 point should be your stop loss. So if this stop loss is suitable to you, then only you should take a trade, or you can buy equity with the risk manner. So you can manage your risk by equity. So from 200 point movement. So how I did the trade in options based on this. Yesterday high is broken by opening itself. If I see that option of 2700 or 2600, because you can take any options, so I will show you both. Let's open, what is the Metropolis, right? Let I take yesterday's opening price. If you are trying to take, because of the calculation, I'm taking for yesterday's opening price. Okay, Metropolis. Okay, stock option. So there is a two option we can try to trade. Either 2700 call. If I'm trading, this is comes under ATM option, right? If I'm taking a two weeks, yesterday opening, that is 18th October, we got a entry by 19th October, maybe in middle of the time. So but I was taken by opening price, it is around 109, maybe the 109. So if I take 109, or by the closing of the day it is 114. If I took the entry by 114 at yesterday's closing price for a calculation, today it moved 176. That is what the profit, because of the market is moving somewhere around 100 point. So we got somewhere around 62 point profit in the ATM options. So if you are focusing for a Metropolis, if you are taking a ATM option, how much risk is there? That is 200 rupees lot. If you are going to take around 114, that entry point should be 114. If you are taking 114, that is 2700 call. That is what ATM at the time. If you are buying that is almost your 22,800 is your investment, and this is what your risk also. If I am buying the ITM option at the time of when the market is breaking, so if I am doing with the ITM options, how much I am getting the profit? Let's say so that ITM option is 2600. I think this is not traded well. This option is not traded well. It is previous closing price and today's price is both are same. Call option of 2600. So what is the price at the low of that trade? 2650. Let's say go for a 2650, the low price, nearby the low price. I think this is also be not traded, because it is a no contract were traded. So maybe the stock may be illiquid, but ATM option was traded. But the concept, if I'm going to take a ATM options, I can focus this. If I'm focusing ITM options, I can focus for a 2650 call option. That was not traded, and 2600 also not traded well. But this option is very good. And if you are taking a future somewhere around 80 point, this is what your risk. Correct? So that risk which gives you near about 32k profit by this, based on this candle. So it is not for intraday. Again, you should understand what I'm discussing with you. It's not for intraday. If the risk is suitable to you, you can try to trade with that. And the second stock is Concur. Yesterday also, yesterday while I'm making the video, it is not triggers, but after that it triggers the entry point around 676, 677, and it fallen down to 661. Still it is a profit of 3 rupees from the entry point. If you are taking option, you may be facing with the time value lapse, maybe in loss also. But if I take an ITM option, that is 690 or 700. If you are taking ATM option, that should be the 670 or 680. So you can plan whether you are going to trade with the option, or you are going to trade with the futures, or you are going to trade with the equity. So everything is depend on you and your risk ability. So here there is an opportunity which present, that I am going to focus here. So I'm not saying you to trade with the equity, future or options, but you should understand what the risk involved in this trade. Once you understood, you can place with that, because it is a working system, so you can focus. Or if you want to take a monthly one trade, weekly one trade, so the system will provide you. Okay. Okay, so that's about this video, and even if you have any other questions or a doubt, you can just message me, let you update. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.